How to find a lost or stolen Android phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can find a lost or stolen Android phone. So let's just get started with the video and find out how to do it. So for that, you can head over to your preferred browser, or you can also download the Find My App device app from your preferred app store. For now, I'm using the website, but you can use that option if you have. After that, you just need to head over to that website or the app and you need to sign in with your Google account. After that is done, you need to select the phone that you want to locate. And remember, you need to log in with the same Google account that is on your phone that is lost or stolen. After that, all you need to do is just go ahead and locate the map, and that is it. Choose what you want to do, such as make a phone ring, secure the device, or erase the phone's data. So that is it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.